Hello everyone, today's video is on crude oil. Crude oil has shown some correction from the recent highs of $130 and it has broken its three-digit mark, suggesting a global slowdown and reduction in demand.
Slide in crude oil prices, WTI falling below $100 a barrel. Well below there, it's below $96 a barrel right now. Brent falling below 100. Pippa Stevens joins us. Pippa, what is driving this big decline today?
Yeah, Sarah, it was a really ugly day for oil. WTI fell more than 8% and is now just barely holding above its 200-day moving average of 95.35.
Investors are in deep sort of confusion. What next, with different views coming from the institution, Citibank being extremely bearish while Jeffrey and JP Morgan being bullish on the counter. It's time we dig deep and understand the Indian context of crude oil. India is the third largest importer of crude oil. 80% of India's oil requirement are imported, contributing to 2% of GDP, affecting India's fiscal deficit and the current account deficit. According to the latest data, Russia now accounts for the fourth largest oil supplier of India, with Iraq being at top. Now let us dig deep and understand the crude oil's Indian impact, how crude affects the Indian market and economy, and what are the sectors to watch out for in terms of crude changes. The first impact on the economy is impact on the rupee. More value of Indian rupee is required to serve the cost of importing the same quantity of crude oil. Secondly, it adversely impacts the fiscal deficit, expenditure being more than revenue. Third, and the most brutal impact is on inflation. The price of essential goods rise due to the rise in the input cost, being the crude oil for every essential product and transportation. Economists believe every $10 rise in crude leads to an inflation rise of 10 basis points, being 0.1%. Another impact is on corporate profits. The rising input cost affects the margin of corporates. After economy, let's shift on the sectors to watch out for in case of crude fall and rise. Let us first understand the dynamics of oil business. It includes upstream business and downstream business. Upstream includes the survey, mining, drilling, manufacturing of the raw crude. Some stocks in upstream businesses are ONGC, Reliance, and Shell India. The downstream business in oil includes distribution and retail outlet. Some stocks in this list are Indian Oil and BPCL. Let us understand some stock themes having direct effect due to the crude oil rise and fall. The first one is the paint stock. High crude derivatives are traded as a raw material, which accounts for around 50 to 60% of the raw material cost. Some companies in Indian stock market include Indigo Paints, Asian Paints, Berger Paints, and Shalimar Paints. The second theme is tires. High crude derivatives again account for around 50% of the high material cost. The stocks here include MRF, CEAT, Apollo, and JK Lakshmi. Other theme is the aviation industries. The ATF cost around 40% of the input cost of the industry. Good airline stock include Indigo, GoAir. GoAir is yet to be listed. Other than the discussed earlier, adhesives, petrochemicals, plastic and polymer are very sensitive to price oil changes. Well, that's it from my side. Hope you liked this video. If so, please like, comment and share the video. For more such video and information, please subscribe to the channel.